I've been rushing all morning, so this is the start of the vlog, but today is the day. My baby is almost 1. He's gonna be 1 next Sunday, but today is his birthday party. So yeah, I'm so excited about to leave. Let's go. All right guys, we're here. This is everybody that's here so far.
Save a horse, ride a cowboy.
Save a horse, ride a...
Hi!
Don't wait a minute, Hi,
Bree!
Give me a run for my money. There was nobody, no one that run me. So give me a run for my money. Sipping bubbly, feeling lovely. Living lovely. She's lovely. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you.
Yeah, this last night, so you really don't get one. Let me see Shania.
I wanna be with you. Just love.
Okay.
I didn't rap, they don't care what you still. If I'm in my mind and work, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than to. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got nothing. I got something. Hold up. We gon' function, no assumption. Feeling like Tyson with it. Got out Tyson with it. Only for the night, I'm kidding. Only for life, yeah, only for life, yeah, only for life. Let's get that shoulder me. I know what coming over me. Backstroke overseas. I know what you need. Already on 10, all money come in. I'm feeling go out. This feeling don't drought. This party won't end. If I didn't rap, play don't her, would you still? Do you think I'm on the way? I'm on the way. I know connection is vague. Pick up the phone for me, babe. Damn it, we jamming. That attitude for your nanny. Curving your hip from your memory. Remember, Gardena, I took the studio camera. I know Top will be mad at me.
God, this is for real.
I bought the big one to prove it. Look what you made. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm like,
Carter, say hi. Happy birthday.
happy birthday.